Does your marketing communicate with your customers throughout their entire buying journey with clear objectives, strategies, and metrics that drive sales? An easy way to break it down is through a 3-tiered marketing funnel. Brand awareness sits at the top of the funnel. This is where your brand needs to cut through the noise and competition. In the middle of the funnel sits intent. This drives your customers to learn more about your products and services. At the bottom of the funnel sits evaluation, the moment your customers decide to purchase. Let's discuss how we can work together to create a perfect strategy. Stand out with the right messaging and visual content. Place targeted advertising in key publications and websites to get that vital first impression. Create and distribute relevant content that puts your brand into the community. Start meaningful conversations to build loyalty. Keep your customers engaged with more sustained and relevant content they will be happy to share. Get your customers clicking and responding with targeted emails and real-time webcasts. How do you measure its success? Understanding the metrics will help you understand your ROI. And here's what we mean by that. Impressions, time in view, reach, and page views demonstrate awareness. Scroll depth, time on site, social reactions, and shares measure engagement. Clicks, registrations, and qualified leads show active customers. Ready to start the conversation? Contact us today.